Once your hole is sized to your chambered FDM sump pump system, made with all kinds of care and love by Marcelo and myself, you want to go ahead and line the pit with our drainage fabric. So when we ship these, you pull off one of the end covers, you'll see a wrapped bundle. That's what it's for. It's for the pit. Use that for the pit. And then we ship you some sods or fabric staples. Now it's okay for it to overlap in here. I know I don't like overlapping our French drain system because it slows down the flow rate. We really want to make sure that the stone around the sump system doesn't migrate into dirt and dirt doesn't migrate into the stone. We want this to last forever because Baughman Tile is building materials that last for 200 to 500 years. So we know the housing on the sump pump system, the basin, the chambered sump pump basin is made out of Baughman Tiles culvert pipe. Smooth on the inside, corrugated on the outside. You could drive semi-trucks over it. You can drive giant John Deere tractors over it. Doesn't matter. It's built for it. Now we've had a couple of other tile companies now reach out to us, but nobody has stepped up to the plate and built a yard drain pipe like Baughman Tile did for us. And you know what? I'm not price shopping. I'm not willing to sacrifice quality, okay, over price. I'm not going to do it. So we're sticking with Baughman Tile. I'm just letting everybody know that this is something that we've been very, very strict about our entire career is the quality of materials. We make sure the homeowner gets their money's worth, starting with Baughman Tile Company building our chambered sump pump basin. Look at how strong these welds are. The craftsmen at Baughman Tile Company, I can't say enough good about the craftsmanship of every single component and part. Everything comes from Baughman Tile, delivered to our door. I haven't had to reject a single piece of pipe ever with Baughman Tile. Now that's saying something. All right, so what the guys are going to do here, we're going to drill some holes because we want the water to run through the voids in the stone. We're going to put some pieces of high octane in here as well. We'll show you that, of course. That's what this is all about. This is live and raw, man. You guys are down in the trenches, no editing, no voiceover. And for a three-man crew, I would say we're working pretty efficient, especially when one is the videographer. So we're going to drill holes through this entire chambered system. The only place you do not drill holes is underneath where the pump is going to go. You do not want to drill holes there. So as a rule, homeowners who are buying the set it and forget it, don't drill where the guide rails are. Set your pump in between the two guide rails and don't drill any holes underneath that, okay? But you can drill holes everywhere else. For the outdoor applications, I'm reserved on doing that on indoor applications. Of course, 2020 is going to be the year for sump pump systems. We are going to show you everything that you've been asking for. All the industry tricks, all the secrets that we kind of kept close to our vest as job security, we now have to share it with the subscribers, the DIY, because our patent pending sump pump system we are now offering to the public and contractors alike. So we have a moral obligation to show you how to use it so that you get the best results. We want to make sure that you achieve the same outcome that we do when using one of our chambered sump pump systems. We have a lot of designs under our patent. We have a lot of layouts. You're going to get to see those as the year unfolds. Certain sump pump systems are going to fit certain applications. All right, so we have the 4-ounce non-woven geotextile fabric that has been punched for a higher flow rate, lining the entire pit. We are now drilling a bunch of half-inch holes throughout this entire chambered sump pump system. Once we're done doing this, we'll just set it right in the pit. We can go ahead and backfill with drainage stone at that time. We may have voided our warranty with Boffman Tile by drilling 300 holes in this thing. That's all right. It's overkill, right? We're not going to drive semis behind this man's garage, or a John Deere tractor for that matter.